So it's early evening, or late evening I should say. The sun is just setting, and I've had to do a manipulation late tonight because when we did our inspections, the blue hive had a queen that stopped laying 8 days ago, maybe 9 days ago, and there was no larvae, no eggs. She wasn't around. There was just a few larvae in some uncapped drones, and what we're done is I've had to reunite it with the nuke from last summer, so it'll make it a stronger colony, and we're down to 2 hives. There is a possibility that the bees are trying to make a queen cell with the last remaining brood, and if it's successful, what I'll do is I'll pull a split from the blue hive before the before the queen emerges from the cell, and we'll take that frame with a queen cell in it and put it with some stores and some cap brood from the other hive, and that'll help her survive. But if not, then we'll just go ahead with the conventional reuniting. We'll take the queen excluder out, and that'll allow the queen to go up into the other brood, and then we'll let that double brood be a group for a while, and then we'll go to a conventional hive. During the manipulation there was far more stores than were needed, so I've taken out a few frames of food, which was just stored honey, and I've put some foundation frames in, and that'll keep them busy while the unification is going on. And then if that will, hopefully they'll draw that out, and then that can be used for the splits, or maybe just to replace old comb, which is needed as well. At this time of night you can hear all the birds. I'm hearing oyster catchers, curlews, and a sheep. And a grey-lag goose. And a bee that's a late forager that's coming back, so hopefully it'll find its way into one of these other 2 hives. I'm going to back off because they're not that happy that I've moved their hive or their colony. But I waited as late as I could so that I got nearly all of them, so that they will have a chance to make a new colony.